Previously, we learned how to find the domain and range of rational functions, and we learned that there are excluded values in both. Now we are going to study the vertical asymptote of a rational function. What is meant by an asymptote? An asymptote is a line that a curve approaches as it moves towards infinity but never touches it. To determine the horizontal asymptote, we need to factor both the numerator and denominator. Let's have a look at this example. What are possible vertical asymptotes here? To find vertical asymptotes, we need to factor both the numerator and the denominator and see which factors are going to be removed or stay. What are the factors of the numerator? The numerator can be factored into x minus 2 times x minus 3. What is the factored form of the denominator? The factored form of the denominator is x minus 2 times x minus 1. To get the simplified form, we cancel the common factor x minus 2. This is the simplified form, and this is the factored form. They are all equal as they represent the same thing. But the simplified form is equal to the other forms, if and only if x doesn't equal to 2 and 1, the two excluded values of the original rational function. There are two excluded values here, 2 which was removed and negative 1 which stays there at the bottom of the simplified form of rational expression. So, there would be a vertical asymptote at x equals 1 and a point whose x-coordinate is 2. To determine this point, let's calculate its y value using any form. It is quicker to use the simplified form. So, f of 2 is 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 1 which is negative 1. So, there is a hole on the graph at 2 and negative 1. To sum up, rational function can be rewritten as a factored from and a simplified form, but they all have the same, excluded points. Removed factors from the factored form represent a hole on the graph and non-removed factors represent vertical asymptotes as we will see next.